Hey, we've got lots of wind, and that is our primary focus this morning. If you're heading out to church services this morning, be prepared, if you have not yet stepped outside, to be greeted with a very strong wind. It's not going to let up until, well, really not until later tonight, but it will die down a little bit. Currently, KCI, this is actually the lightest wind I've seen here all morning, 35 degrees, northwest wind at 16, but we're still getting that wind gust up to 33 miles an hour. That was KCI. Let me pick a community closer to you. For example, in Olathe, you have a sustained wind, just constantly blowing at 25 miles an hour. The wind gusts in Olathe now 43 miles an hour within the past hour. Trenton also has had a wind gust up to 51. That is why there is a wind advisory in effect. There's also some snow coming down. We've been watching this band of snow from Topeka to Paola. That will continue sliding down, probably cut close to Olathe, or at least around 119th Street South and along I-35. And then there's a second band of light snow that has been, it crossed Cameron earlier. It's now heading down through Bramer and Breckenridge and continuing to head towards Richmond. So you'll see occasionally some light snow showers wrapping around this area of low pressure. So can't take them out of the forecast yet. It stays cloudy, occasional light snow, and it stays windy throughout the day. Northwest wind will die down to about a 35 mile an hour wind gust this afternoon, and after 12 our wind advisory will be allowed to expire. Here's your forecast hour by hour as you plan this day. If you're going to the Chiefs game, you're tailgating, heading out to Arrowhead, say at 1 o'clock, northwest winds at 15, gusts to 35, air temperature 35, but it will feel like it's in the 20s. During the game, during the kickoff hour around 3 to 4, 26-degree wind chill, northwest winds 15 to 35 miles an hour. At 5, wind chill 21. At 7, wind chills will be in the teens tonight. Now we will gradually see the clouds start to clear out, which sets us up for sunshine on Monday. But I want to remind you, tomorrow morning, though it won't be very windy, just a 10-mile-an-hour wind will produce a wind chill in the low teens, 44 in the afternoon. On Tuesday, we start warming up into the 50s again, and 54 on Wednesday with lots of sunshine. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, not much of a wind, so that dies down. We have a system passing by to our south on Thursday. I think this brings us to 30% chance of rain, not snow. Friday and Saturday right now look dry. Sunday, we have a slight chance of rain showers as well. That chance of rain on Sunday keeps bouncing between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So look for changes and updates on that as we get new model data. But right now, at least our daytime highs for the weekend coming up will be in the 40s. Morning lows will generally be in the 20s. Reminder, the most important weather information today is that wind advisory is in effect until noon. A northwest wind gusting to 50 miles per hour. We'll be right back.